Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to the chemistry class. I'm looking forward to the opportunity we will have to learn and grow together in the course. This is an introductory lecture to let you know what we will be discussing here. We would briefly review your book, the course outline, and most importantly, I will let you know the paper pattern for the course so it is easy for you to proceed accordingly. As you can see here, this is your textbook for chemistry second year. I assume you all must have the book, as in the upcoming lectures we would be concerning our textbook from time to time. Now if you go through the course outline, your second year chemistry book has been divided into two parts, the organic and the inorganic chemistry. We have a total of 13 chapters, out of which chapter number 1 to chapter number 6 would be studied under the inorganic chemistry, whereas chapter number 7 to chapter number 13 would be studied under the organic chemistry. I have mentioned the chapters as how they are divided, and you can also see that from your book. Since I said that your course for this session is divided into two parts, the organic and the inorganic chemistry, I would like to give a brief review for that. You might have an idea about why the division has been made. Inorganic chemistry is concerned with the properties and behavior of the inorganic compounds, which includes matters, minerals, and the organometallic compounds, whereas the organic chemistry is originally limited to the substances found only in the living organism, dealing with the compounds of carbon. For the students appearing in the board examination, the most important thing is to understand the paper pattern, which makes it easy for them to prepare themselves likewise. Your whole subject would be comprising on 100 marks, out of which 85 marks is of theory or the written examination, and 15 marks would be of the practical examination, which will be performed after the written examination. Now here's your paper pattern for your theory examination. This is of 85 marks. Your whole paper would be divided into three sections, section A, section B, and section C. Section A is a compulsory section and consists of 17 multiple choice questions or MCQs. Since it is a compulsory section, you have to attempt all the questions and each question carry 1 marks. Section B consists of the short question answers and is of 40 marks as a whole. You will be given total of 16 questions, out of which you have to attempt 10 questions. But now since your book has been divided into two parts, likewise your paper is also divided into the subsections. So now for the section B short question answers, we have two subsections of organic and the inorganic chemistry. You will be given 8 questions in each the sections, out of which you have to attempt 5 questions. So a total of 10 questions is to be attempted, 5 from each the section, and each question carry 4 marks. Section C consists of the long question answers and it is of 28 marks. Total 4 questions would be given, out of which you have to attempt 2. And just like section B, it also has divided into subsections of the organic and the inorganic chemistry. Total 4 questions would be given, and since you are attempting one question from each section, so you would be attempting 2 questions as a whole, each comprising of 14 marks. Now let's just see that what type of questions can be asked in both these sections. Firstly, the organic section is a bit descriptive and contains more theory part than the organic sections. Here you might have been asked to compose a chemical equation. You might have to convert the words into the chemical equation. Complex naming can also be asked, and reasoning question has been asked in this section. On contrary, the organic section consists of the equations of the organic compound, the structures of the different organic compounds, the formulas, and functional group conversions. Like you might be given a compound which have a functional group alcohol, and you can be asked to convert it into the ketone, and so on. Similarly, differentiation chemical test can also be asked, like how can you differentiate two compounds having alcoholic or the ketonic functional group, and so on. So this is about the course outline and the paper pattern. From the next session, we will be starting our first chapter. I am looking forward to an opportunity to make you people learn the most of it. Have a good day. Thank you.